Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Xfinity DVR stuck on welcome screen, activation and coax check. To fix an Xfinity DVR stuck on the welcome screen, first perform a hard power cycle by unplugging the power cord directly from the back of the box for 10 seconds and then reconnecting it. A loose coaxial or HDMI cable or corrupted software is usually the cause of this freeze. Fix 1. Power cycle the DVR. Unplug the power cord from the back of your Xfinity TV box or the wall outlet. Then wait for at least 10 to 60 seconds and then plug it back in and wait up to 3 to 4 minutes for the box to boot up completely. Fix 2. Check cable connections. A loose or damaged coaxial cable, the thick round cable that screws in the wall, or HDMI cable will prevent the box from communicating with Xfinity's network. Ensure the coaxial cable is securely hand-tightened at both the wall plate and the back of the DVR. Now check that your HDMI cable is plugged in firmly and try swapping to a different HDMI port on your TV. Fix 3. Disconnect Ethernet if applicable. If you have an Ethernet cable plugged directly into the back of your Xfinity DVR, unplug it temporarily. Some users have reported that certain network connections cause the box to hang on the boot screen. Restart the box without the Ethernet cable attached. Fix 4. Request a system refresh. If the box restarts and remains stuck, there may be an issue with the signal reaching your home or the firmware requires an update. You can refresh your TV box connection directly using the Xfinity support article to force a system reset. Alternatively, contact Xfinity support to send a remote reset signal or check for local line issues. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.